All right, this is a jazzy happy birthday for Nikki, and Mom's on the piano, and there's Nikki.
Happy birthday, Nikki. Happy 14th. We look forward to seeing you and Stevie and your father for your vacation in
And
August.
Dante and
Happy
Georgie
birthday.
will sing and dance for you. All right, so we're going to sing happy birthday for Nikki.
Okay, hang on, Mama's got to get settled here. A jazzy happy birthday. Let's get it going here. Okay, boys.